Why 120 million people unite around a powerless emperor? What does the emperor mean to the Japanese people? To understand this, we begin with mythology. According to Japan's oldest chronicles, the Kojiki and Nihon Shoki, the first emperor, Emperor Jimmu, was said to be a descendant of the sun goddess Amaterasu. In traditional belief, the imperial line was described as having divine origins. However, this is mythological tradition, not modern historical fact. Like many ancient civilizations, Japan linked its rulers to the gods to legitimize authority and unify society. Today, the emperor's role is entirely different. Under Article 1 of Japan's constitution, the emperor is defined as the symbol of the state and of the unity of the people. He holds no political power. He does not govern, pass laws, or command the military. Sovereignty belongs to the people. This distinguishes Japan from many historical monarchies in Europe, where kings once exercised real political authority. After World War II, Japan's 1947 constitution separated the emperor completely from political power, making the role symbolic and ceremonial. The emperor's duties now include attending memorial services, visiting disaster areas, and participating in national rituals. Rather than ruling, he represents continuity and praise for the nation's peace and well-being. Are Japanese people required to worship him? No. The Constitution guarantees freedom of thought and religion. There is no legal obligation to revere the emperor. Public attitudes vary, but unity comes from shared history and cultural continuity, not enforced devotion. Japan also maintains a male line succession system, tracing the imperial lineage through the paternal line back to the first emperor in traditional genealogy. Supporters argue this preserves an unbroken historical line, while critics call for reforms. Reflecting modern gender equality, the debate continues. So what is the Emperor of Japan? Not a ruler, not a god in modern law, not a political authority. He stands between myth and modern democracy, a throne without power, yet a symbol that continues to unite more than 120 million people.